Hello everybody, and today I will be showing you how to use a Leatherman pocket knife. So first, all the tools. This is a belt buckle clip. Put that on your belt. Carabiner clip. Right here, you push this down. Knife sharpener. You're gonna need that because this thing has 3 different types of knives. 4, actually. This can be used as a hammer. There's the hex screws. You open it up, you have pliers, needle nose pliers. Right here is for wires, and this is for stronger wires. Right here, you take this thing out. It's this is for starting a fire. This flint at the bottom end. It's a whistle for emergencies. Yeah. Also, let me put this back in real quick. Is it on this side? Oh, it is. That just goes to show how I can't figure anything out. Okay, so now we have the knives. So bottle/can opener, tiny knife right here, and then one of my favorite parts is the screwdriver thing right there. And now this is where the this thing is coming into play. So we have big knife, number 1. Push that, and it goes back in. And then we have this thing, which there's a little notch right there. Pull that. It's a saw. And then just like the other one, you push that, and it goes back in. All right. So yeah, that was a guide to Leatherman pocket knife. Yeah. Bye.